Okay, so to solve this question, let us first see what is K-map. So K-map is a method to simplify the Boolean expressions. So let us start with an easiest K-map, a two variable K-map. So let us say we have a function that has two variables a and b. So to draw a two variable K-map, we take a on one side and b on another side. So this cell we represent it by a bar, this cell is a, this b bar, this is b. Now what does this mean is that the value here will be a bar into b bar. So here it will be a bar into b bar. Here it will be a bar b, a b bar, and a b. And if you see in terms of numbers, let's say if a bar b bar, a bar b, a b bar, and a b, what are these? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, that is 0 1 2 and 3 in decimal form. So we can also write it as 0 1 2 and 3. So let's say if the function is f a comma b is a bar b plus b bar a. Okay, so the K-map would be a bar, this is a, b bar, this is b. Function is a bar b plus b bar a. A bar b is this and b bar a is this. So this was 0 1 2 and 3. So you can also represent this function f as sum of the minterms 1 and 2. In the blocks 1 and 2 we have written 1, so we can write it as sum of the minterms 1 and 2. Now let us suppose you have another function a bar b bar plus a bar b. This is the function. So in K-map, how you would represent it is a bar a, b bar b, 0 1 2 and 3. So a bar b bar and a bar b. So these two are 1, a bar b bar, a bar b, and these are not used. So this is sigma m 0 comma 1, right? And how do you minimize it now? So to minimize, you form groups of 2, 4, 8, 16, or all multiples of 2. You form such groups to minimize. So in a 4 variable K-map, the maximum number of groups you can form, the maximum member groups you can form are 2 and 4 only. So here this is the two member group. So this whole represents a bar, right? This whole row is a bar. So this function can be reduced to a bar, just a bar. This is how you minimize. I hope this is clear. If anything is not clear, please unmute yourself and let me know at that instant only. Now in this question we have 4 variables p, q, r and s. So if we try to draw 4 variable K-map, how to draw 4 variable K-map? So let us start with 2 variables. Let's say we have p, q, r and s. Let's take p here and r here. So I can write here this will be p bar, this will be p, this will be r bar, this will be r. right? Just like two variables. Now we take the next two variables, q and s. Now here we form further subdivisions. So sorry. So here what we do is, if this is p bar, here we, for these two blocks, let me take it here, for these two blocks we take q, and for up and down we take q bar here. Similarly here for these two blocks we take s, here s bar and s bar. So what does this mean? Basically, okay, so to avoid the confusion, what you can do is, uh, if I, let's say, remove this, you start with numbering, right? P bar, q bar, p bar q, p q, p q bar. That is 0 0, 0 1, 1 1 and 1 0. So here the number is little bit different, right? 1 1 will come before 1 0. That you need to take care of. Similarly here, r bar, s bar, r bar s, r s and r s bar. This is also 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, 1 0. So this is how you number it. Now if you combine this 0 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 0 1 1, 0 0 1 0, 0 1 0 0, 0 1 0 1, 0 1 1 1, 0 1 1 0. So and so on similarly. So if you number it, what it comes out to be, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. So this is what the numbering comes out to be. Is this numbering clear? Okay, so now the question is, okay, so we have this, so let me write it again. uh, just a moment. Okay, so we have a four variable function, so we will make a four variable k map. P bar q bar, so it's in small letters, p bar q bar, p bar q, p q, p q bar, r bar s bar, r bar s, r s, r s bar. Now the function that we have is, uh, p f is p q s plus p bar r bar s bar plus p bar q plus p bar r s bar plus p q bar s bar. So where will PQS lie? So how to fill this K map now? PQS. You see, P is here. in these two. So somewhere here is P. Where is Q now? PQ is only this one. So this is PQ and S. S is here. So the intersection of these is this, these two. So these two blocks will be 1. Right? So this is, these two represents PQS. Similarly, P bar, R bar, S bar. What is R bar, S bar? This row is R bar, S bar, and then we have to look for P bar. P bar is these two. So here we will have 2 ones. Then what do we have? Then we have P bar Q. P bar Q is this row is P bar Q. So the whole row will be 1. Next we have P bar R S bar. R S bar is this row, this column, and then we have P bar, right? So P bar will be the top two. So these two will be 1. Next we have PQ bar S bar. PQ bar is this row and S bar is, so PQ bar is this row and S bar is this and this, right? Here we have S bar and here we have S bar. So these two will have 1. I hope this is clear how I have filled the numbers. If not, please ask. Okay, so once we have filled the numbers, next task is, step 2 is make largest groups. Of either 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, whatever. So we have to make the largest groups, right? So let's see what groups we can form. So I can directly see this. This is one of the quad. A member of 4 is called a quad. So this corresponds to, let us write, this is what? Here it is Q. Here this is S. This is QS. Okay. Now another one I can form is, take this, these corner 4. These corner 4 will combine to give one quad. This corner 4 will combine to give what? This is Q bar R, S bar. Q bar S bar. Then now we have this remaining, these two. So these two can form this quad or they can form this quad. So let us make both and see. So let us see this. Let's say if it forms this, then it will be what? P bar Q. But if we, instead of that, if we form this, let us say, if we form this, then it would have been what? P bar S bar. So finally what we have is QS plus Q bar S bar plus either P bar Q or P bar S bar, one of these, right? So the answer can be, let's say, this, or F equals to QS plus Q bar S bar plus P bar S bar. So both of these are correct. Is this clear how I form the groups? If there is any doubt, please let me know. This is very important, and uh, K-map is the most important thing to solve the whole assignment. If there is any doubt anywhere, let me know.
I think this also matters. So instead of this one, we'll just have this. Make this one. Instead of this, let's make this for us to save us from the confusion. It's part of the
Okay, so that was, this is actually the answer of the question. Both, this is also correct and this is also correct. So both A and E are correct. Okay, so if there is any doubt, please let me know. Else, let us move ahead to the next question. Okay, now try to solve this question now. So let us see this question. Fine. So you have f equals to a bar plus b plus c, b plus c bar, a plus b plus c. So you multiply and expand. So if I multiply these two first, so I will get a bar b plus a bar c bar plus b plus bc bar plus bc plus cc bar, and this is as it is, a plus b plus c. Now if I try to simplify this, let's say I take uh, so cc bar is 0. Now if I take b common, it will be b sorry, a bar plus 1 plus c bar plus c plus a bar c bar, this whole multiplied by a b c. Now 1 plus, when you have 1 plus any a b c whatever, it is always 1, right? So this whole will become 1 and this whole will become b. So you will have b plus a bar c bar, a plus b plus c, right? So now you expand this, ab plus b plus bc plus a bar c bar a plus a bar b c bar plus a bar c bar c. So this a bar will go to 0, this c bar will be go to 0, right? A bar is 0 and number multiplied with its complement is 0. So now you can take b common, b a plus 1 plus c plus a bar c bar, this will again be 1, so this answer will be b. The function f is b, so f bar will be b bar. This is the answer, the complement. Is this clear to all? If there is any doubt in this, please let me know. Okay, so the next question is this. So now you have to again find a simplified expression. So how will you do that? First is you expand this, expand, like multiply these and solve this. Second is make k-map. So solve this using k-map, then you find the result. Okay, take some time and solve it. And Harini says option B. Anyone else? What answers are you getting? Or please let me know in which steps you are facing difficulty. How to fill XY in K-map. Okay. Nishant, we will see that. Tausif and Jeevan, do you have any answer? Or are you stuck somewhere?
Sir, I'm doing, but answer is not coming. Sir, my answer is coming y plus double x bar.
Y plus what?
Y
WX.
plus double x bar. So,
Okay.
mm,
And Tausif, have you tried? Okay. So let us see again how to do this. So K-map is, again I'm stressing, K-map is the most important part of Boolean algebra. So practice a lot and lot of questions on K-map. Okay. So let us write the function first. Function is w bar x bar y bar plus y wx bar whole bar plus w bar y plus wx. Okay. So even before going into K-map, we see like there is something here, right? Which we have not seen before. So let us try to expand it. W bar x bar y bar plus y. So how I can expand it is w bar. So let me write it like this: w bar plus x bar whole bar. I don't need this. Yeah. Plus w bar y plus w bar w x. So how did I write this? Right. So you know a dot b whole bar equals to a bar plus b bar. Right. This is De Morgan's theorem. It must have been taught to you in the class. So that is how I filled this. So instead of a you had w, instead of b you had x bar, then you had whole bar. So it will be w bar plus x bar bar, and which is simply w bar plus x. Yeah. So now if we move ahead, we have w bar x bar y bar plus w bar y plus xy plus this w bar y is already here, so I want to write it again, and this w bar will be 0. So this is the final form which you have to make in K-map. Okay. So till here, is it clear? Is there any doubt till here? Okay. So now let us move ahead to making the K-map. Now we have three variables now, w, x and y. F is a function of w, x and y. So we have three variables. So to make three variable K-map, it is simple, right? let's say take w bar w, x bar y bar, x bar y, x y, x y bar. So this is the most important thing you need to remember in K-map, that this comes before this. 0 0 0 1 1 1 comes before 1 0. Okay, so this will be 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6. Okay, anyways, so your function now is that you have to fill w bar x bar y bar plus w bar y plus xy. Okay, so now you have w bar x bar y bar. W bar is this row. Okay, x bar y bar is this. So w bar x bar y bar will be intersection of this, that is this block. So w bar x bar y bar, right? So I'll write one here. Then you have w bar y, w bar and y, and w bar is this row and y is these two blocks. So we will have ones here and here. Then you have sorry, yeah, then you have xy. So xy where you can write is this whole row is xy, right? So you can write 1 is already here, this is 1. Okay, now you just got to make the pairs. So take yellow color. So one is this, other one can be this. So this one is xy, this one is w bar x bar. So answer is w bar x bar plus xy. Okay, so answer is w bar x bar plus xy. Please note where you were making mistake and uh,
Actually, sir, I mistake to put a bar on W, sir. That's why I got a wrong answer.
okay,
Now I'm understood, sir.
okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So I hope others also got their answers now. And Nishant, is your question answered? How we feel xy? Okay. So
Sir, actually, in this function, I have do one more step, sir.
what?
W bar x bar y bar plus W bar y by taking W bar common.
You wrote what? Sorry. Can you repeat?
Sir, after this step, after the final step, you are getting W bar x bar y bar plus W bar y plus xy.
Yes.
After this, I have taking one more steps. I will take one more step.
Okay.
Taking the W bar common.
Okay. So you are writing w bar common. So it will be x bar y bar plus
Yes,
y
sir.
plus xy. Then this
Yes,
will
sir.
become w bar y plus x bar plus xy. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. It doesn't
Yes, sir.
matter. It's fine.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Like
Thank you.
even if you do this, let's say, okay, let us say we take this. You get w bar y plus w bar x bar plus xy. Right? Let us try to fill K-map with this. You will get the same ones. W bar W, X bar Y bar XY bar, sorry, x bar y, x y, x y bar. Now w bar y, w bar is this row, y is these two. So this is one, this is w bar y. Then let's say you have w bar x bar. W bar is this row, x bar is these two. These two are w bar x bar. Then you have xy. Xy is these two. Again, you have the same ones. So you form these two and these two. So our whole goal is to simplify it as much as we can, and that we can do by K-map. If you could just directly see what numbers to fill in K-map from here itself, then you don't need to even solve, right? We just solved it for the sake of like to understand what how we can fill in K-map, but because just by looking at this, it is very difficult to see what which blocks I have to fill with one, right? That's why we solved it to some extent. Then we went to K-map. Okay, so I hope this question is clear to all. If not, please let me know. Now, okay, so let us see the next question now. So this question is for again 4 variable K-map. So what will be the correct form of sum of products? So I told you, right? So when we fill numbers, so let me draw it again so that you can understand. Let's say this is A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B bar, A, B, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D bar, C, D. Sorry, I filled it wrong. A, B, A, B bar, C, D, C, D bar. Okay, so this is zeros. Actually, this is A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, which is actually 0, right? Simply this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have written these numbers because now I have solved done game many times, so I remember in which block which number comes. But you can, if you do not know, you are just starting, you can see, right? A bar, why this is 8, right? So here what you have is this block represents to A, B bar, C bar, D bar, right? So what is this? 1, 0, 0, 0, which is 8, right? This block, why is it 14? This is A, B, C, D bar, which is 1, 1, 1, 0, which is 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0, that is 14, right? This I am doing binary to decimal, right? We have done in past 2 classes many times. Now what you have to do is you have to fill ones according to this, then identify which blocks will have one, like which one will have ones, and whatever their numbers are, you write it like sigma m, and whatever, let's say if it was 4, 5, 6, 7, then you write sigma m 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Which is what is being asked in the question. Okay, so solve it, then let us see. Okay, so if we see this, we have AB. So where will AB be filled? All these rows, right? Then we have A bar, B bar, C. A bar, B bar is this row, and C is these two. So it will be this and this. So the answer is sigma m 3, sorry, I'll write it in ascending order: 2, 3, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so Nishant and Jivan, you have the right answer. So answer is this option. Sorry. Okay, so I hope there is no doubt in this question. If anyone is stuck anywhere or any has any doubt, please let me know. Else, okay, just a moment. Okay, I'm sorry for the call. So let us see the next question. The minimum number of literals present in the sum of product of Boolean expression is what? So to understand this, what is we should know what is literals, right? So literals are like are just the variables or the complement of variables. So let us say what how many number of variables or the complement of variables we have in an expression is what they are asking. So let's say in this AB plus A bar B bar C bar plus A bar B C bar, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have 8 literals. Now they are asking if you minimize this, how many literals will be there? So that you have to find. So I leave the minimization to you guys, then you let me know the answer. So while you are giving your answer, this in like Nishan 3, you can also write like what are you getting as your minimum. What is the minimized form? Please write that also. Please also write what is the minimized answer you are getting. Nishan, Jivan and Shanti, can you please write what is the minimized answer you are getting when you minimize this AB plus A bar B bar C bar plus A bar B C bar? Okay, fine. So let us see how to solve this. You have AB plus A bar B bar C bar plus A bar B C bar, right? So what you can do is simply you can see you can take something common, right? This is AB plus A bar C bar, you can take common, it will be B bar plus B bar plus B will be 1, so you will have AB plus A bar C bar. So the minimum literals you will have is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, why, how are you guys getting B C bar? What have you done? K map. Okay, let me do K map. Okay, so is this clear to all? Okay, fine. Okay, so next question is, what will be the correct form of product of sums for the Boolean expression mentioned in question 5? So in question 5 we had this a sorry ab plus a bar c bar plus a bar b c bar. So we have to find the, okay, so when we write sigma we write sum of product. When we write pi we write product of sum. Okay, so how you do this is, so let's say we already made the k map there. Okay, a b a bar a b bar c bar b bar c b c b c bar. You had this and this, right? And these were numbers 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6. So you had sigma 0 1 6 and sorry 0 2 6 and 7, right? Now this is SOP form. In POS, whatever is left is POS. Whatever is left is 1 3 4 5. Whatever is left is POS. So you write 1345 pi 1345. I hope this is clear, and for this if it's not, I recommend you please go and see the lecture. I think it was in second last lecture, so please look into it. Okay, so let us take the next question. Again we have this k map. So this is the actual k map, don't get confused. This is the k map. You have to find the minimum expression. So please attempt this. Now we have solved a lot of k maps. You can do this now. Okay, so let us see this. So let us rewrite it. This is a bar b bar a bar b a b bar. This is b c bar d bar c bar d c d c d bar. So we will form as many largest groups as possible. One is this. This is a bar b bar. Another one we can make is this. This is what b bar d. Then we have these two remaining, right? So just form a group here. This is a c d bar. So our answer is a bar b bar plus b bar d plus a c d bar, which is option A. Is this clear to all? Okay. So the next question is again on Kmap. So now you see there is one more interesting thing here, which is this x. We have not seen this x before. We had only seen 0 or 1 in the Kmap. So x is called don't care condition. So what does this mean? So it means that how, so if x, uh, what you can do is like x can be either 0 or 1. So as per your convenience, if you need x to make a group, you take it, right? You use it. So x you can use in making the groups, and you have to make the largest groups. So try this, then we will see. So once again, remember, use x only if you need it. Use this don't cares only if you need it to make the larger groups. Please attempt this. So let us try and make the groups. So one is this, right? This will be B bar, C bar, D bar. Another you can make is this. This will be B, C bar, D. Then one you can make is this, right? And this is B bar, C, D. So you have B bar, C bar, D bar plus B, C bar, D plus B bar, C, D, which is option B. Okay, so almost all of you have got this answer. So let us see the next one. How many functions are possible with three Boolean variables such that there are at least one and at most six min terms? Okay, so let us not waste time on this question. So this is probably something that you have to remember. So let us say uh, okay, if number of variables equals to k, then number of possible k variable you can write it maybe like number of possible k variable functions with, let's say, n number of min terms is given as 2 to the power k c m, which is 2 to the power k factorial upon 2 to the power k factorial, sorry, m factorial upon 2 to the power k factorial minus n factorial. Okay, this is combination in mathematics. So if you have k variable functions with n number of min terms is given as, sorry, this is n is given as something like this, right? Okay, so here in this question, how many functions are possible with three boolean variables, that is k equals to 3, such that there are at least one and at most six minterms. So that means n is between 1 to 6. So the total will be, so what is 2 to the power k is equals to 2 to the power 3 equals to 8. So the total will be 8c1 plus 8c2 plus 8c3 8c4 plus 8c5 plus 8c6, right? So these are the required number of minterms. So you can solve it in two ways. Versus you just calculate all these and solve. Another thing is the total possible functions with any number of minterms for k variables will be 2 to the power 2 to the power 2 to the power k, which is, let's say, 2 to the power 2 to the power 3, which is 2 to the power 8, which is 256. So with k variables you can form 256 functions. So you can also write this as, here you have you need one number of minterms 1 to 6. You can write it like 256 minus 8c0 minus 8c7 minus 8c8. So both of these are same. Whichever is easier you solve. So let's say if you want to solve the first one, 8c1 plus 8c2 plus 8c3 plus 8c4 8c5 plus 8c6, this will be 828 plus 56 plus 70 plus 56 plus 28, which total will be 246. Else if you want to solve it like 256, that is, okay, let me write the formula again. 2 to the power 2 to the power k minus 8c0 minus 8c7 minus 8c8, which will be 256 minus 8c0 will be 1, this will be 8, and this will be again 1. So this will be 256 minus 10, that is 246. So with both you get 246 as the answer. So the answer is this. So this is a theoretical question, and for this I recommend you just remember this. What is C and this. Okay, so let me explain again. So what it means is that okay, so what the question is trying to ask, let's say it is saying you have number of possible functions with three variables. Let's say you have three variables a, b and c, right? Then it is saying you have to find the total number of functions that are there that have at least one and at most six minterms. So what does this mean? Let's say if you make the k map, a bar a, b bar c bar, b bar c, b c, b c bar, right? So let's say if I write this, right, this is just a function. This has one minterm. Similarly, if I make something like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This has 6 minterms. If I make something else, 1 2 3 4 5 6, this also has 6 minterms, right? So the question is saying you have to tell total number of functions which will have number of minterms between 1 and 6. You write it as n or n, whatever, right? So let us take an example now. So the total number of functions, so if you see, look at this one. Let's say, now how many number of functions can you have with one minterm? So you can have this one can take one here, one can be here, one can be here, one can be here, or here, or here, or here. Like there are 8 places for one to be. So total number of functions with one number of minterms will be 8, which is what we have represented here by 8c1, which is 8. Similarly, if there are two minterms, 2, these two can be the places, these two can be there, 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 then again these two can be there, these two these two can be there, and so on. Like these two can be there, these two can be there, these two can be there, and like there can be a lot of combinations for 2, right? There's a total 8c2, that is 28 combinations. Similarly for 3 it is 56, 4 it is 70, 5 it is 56, and 6 it is 28. So they are asked, that was the question. Number of possible functions with 3 variables such that there are at least 1 minterm and at most 6 minterms. This is at least 1 and at max 6. That is, number of minterms are varying from 1 to 6. Is this clear? Like you also get the origin of this formula, right? Why I'm writing 8c1. How we came this? Because we just counted it for 1. 1 can take 8 places only, right? Out of 8, 1 can take 8 places. For combination of 2, there can be 28 such combinations. For 3 variables, there can be 56. 3 minterms, there can be 56 such variables. Sorry, 56 such combinations. And so on. Okay. So, is this clear to all now? Okay. So, don't stress on it. Just remember this. Also remember this. This is also important.
Sir, so how you can calculate that the C value, the 8C1 plus 8C2? So
What
how
is
I
that?
will know it?
How will you know what?
8C2 equal to 28.
You
8C.
this formula I have written, right?
Acha, acha.
Uh,
Okay.
so how you, let's say 8c2 you want to calculate.
Yes, sir.
So it will be 8 factorial upon 2 factorial 8 minus 2 factorial. So 8 factorial is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into till 1, right?
Okay,
2 is
sir.
2 into 1. This is 8 minus 2 is 6 factorial. 6 into 5 into 4 into so on. So this and this will cancel. You have 8 into 7 upon 2, which is 28.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Got it.
Yeah. Okay. So this is called, yeah, so this is called combination in mathematics. You might have studied in your class 12th. You have two things, permutation and combination. So this C is combination. So if it's not clear, I suggest you just Google it. What is permutation and combination? You will get more clarity on this. Okay. So next question is again K-map. Solve the following K-map to obtain the minimized SOP. So please attempt this. Okay. So let us try to solve this. So you have to form the largest pairs, right? Largest group. So one group can be this. This is D. Another group can be this. This is C. And another one can be this. This is AB. So answer is D plus C plus AB. Which is this. Okay. So I hope this is clear. Let us move on to the next one then.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, if all the cells are 1,
Yeah.
then what is the answer, sir?
1.
All sets are 1.
Yeah, I'm saying answer will be F equals to 1.
अच्छा अच्छा हो गया मतलब there is no turn.
No. So if let's say all cells are 1, so whatever condition you have, a equal to b equal to whatever, either be 0 or 1,
Yes.
your f is always 1, so f does not change.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So basically what is this telling you, right? If let's say
Okay.
what does this mean? If a equal to 0, b equal to 1, c equal to 0 and d equal to 0, then your f is 0. This is basically a form of truth table, right? And if 0 0 0 0, then your f is don't care. 0 0 0 1, your f is 1. 0 0 1 0. So in your case, if you are saying all are 1, then all are 1 1 1 for all the cases, then f is always 1, no matter what the
Yes.
inputs are.
Okay, okay, sir. Got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so Divyasri asks, is line 1 number 1 is also possible? So Divyasri is asking, okay, so let me erase this first. If this is also possible, can anyone tell why this is not, we have not taken this?
Because of the don't care is there, sir. So the that term is does not required for that case.
Yes,
So there is don't.
so we will take don't care only if it is required. If it was 1, we must have taken this, but since it is don't care means you don't care, like we don't care about this, we care about only about ones. Since we want to make largest groups and these are don't cares, at our convenience we take it. Here also we took it. Here also we had like ones were these two only, but we took these also because, but here all the ones are now already covered, so we do not need to make this. There's just an extra additional term which is not required. So simply don't care means you don't care about it, right? That's it. Okay. So next question. So this is a very interesting question now. Given F1, F2, F3 and F4 in canonical SOP form of the circuit, then what is the output? W. So take your time, attempt this, then I will see how to solve this with you. So let's see. So now how do you solve this? So there are two ways. First is we find what is f1, we make the k-map and we find what will f1 mean. So let's say it means whatever a plus b plus c or whatever, right? So we write a plus b plus c, x plus y plus z, whatever it is, and then find the or here. Similarly we do here and find or and then find and. Or the simpler way is you have, so this is your circuit, right? This is and. Right, so you have f1 or f2. So what will be f1 or of f2? So f1 is sigma, what is f1? 1 2 3 7 8. f2 is sigma 1 6 8 15. Okay, so now what will be or will be, you see whatever terms are not there you add that. That is how or works, right? Sigma 1 2, so let's write all these terms 1 2 3 7 8. And what was not there in m1? 1 was there already. 6 8 was already there. 6 and 8 will be the new terms. 6 and 6 and 15 will be the new term. 6 and 15. So this is the or of f1 and f2. Similarly f3 or f4. So what is f3 and f4? f3 is 1 6 7 8 9 15. f4 is 1 3 5 12 13 15. So f3 or of f2 will be 1 6 7 8 9 15 and whatever else is not there, 3 5 12 13, all these. Now you have to do and of these two. So and means you only take the common terms which is common in both. 1 6 7 8 3 15. This must have been, yeah. So this is the end then. The final answer is f, whatever it is, let's call it f. Sigma 1 3 7 8 1 3 6 7 8 15. This is your answer. So are you able to understand this? Do you want me to repeat it?
Sir,
So how are we able to write this, right?
hello, sir.
Okay. So what does this mean? F1 equals to sigma 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. This means that in all those input conditions, F1 is 1. Similarly, F2 you have written 1, 6, 8, 15. That means in all of these conditions, F2 is 1, right? So F1 or of F2, what does this mean? This means when is F1, either F1 or F2 is on. That is on in when any of these are true, right? So that's why it is like a union of these 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 6, 15. So in any of these conditions, either F1 is on or F2 is on. Similarly, here let's say we have found these two odds. When is now AND means both, let's say we call it F5 and F6. F5 and F6 means both F5 should also be on, F6 should also be on. So we just have to look at then the common cases only. When if it is 1, then this will be also be on, this will also be on. Both F5 and F6 both will be on. When it is 2, only F5 will be on, but F6 will not be on because there is no 2 here. So that will not come here. And means both must be satisfied. Both F5 should also be 1, F6 should also be 1. I hope this is clear. So answer is 1, 3, 6, 7, 8, 15, which is this option. Is this clear to all? Okay, so I think we can stop here. Rest of the questions in your assignments are also easy. Uh, if you face some difficulty, you can email me.
Hello, sir.
So
Hello.
if there is any doubt, you can ask, else we will close the session.
Hello, sir. Sir, I'm audible. Hello.
Yes, Nishant, what is the doubt? Okay, let me see the question, just a minute. So if we go to week 1, was probably question 5 there. Okay, it is not here. Let me write it here only. So question is 1, 1, 1, 1, Yeah, Divashri, I'll upload just after this session. Let me solve this question. 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 and is 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0. What is their addition? So these are two unsigned binary numbers. Okay. Okay, this was not the question. Okay, sorry. We have 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 addition. Okay, if we added 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 and 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1, we added 1, sorry, 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. Right, this is what you get. This overflow you ignore. This is the final answer, which is what? 4 plus 2, 6. So what does in the bracket 2's complement mean? So Nishant, do you remember the previous lecture? So 2's complement is a method to represent negative numbers. Okay. So 2's complement makes it easy to represent negative numbers. So so we only represent tend to represent negative numbers in 2's complement form. So this is one of the negative number. This is one positive number because this number is 0. It is positive. So these two number when we add up, we get this, which is here again. This is 0. That means this is positive. So you can directly convert it to 6. So I request you revise the week 1 session so it will be more clear to you. I have explained all the cases there. Okay. Any other doubt?
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. One doubt, sir.
Okay. So thank you for joining all. Let us close this session now.